Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to start our next exercise 6.3. Before that, there are similarity criterias which we have to understand before starting the exercise. Students, we have studied that two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are in same ratio, or you can say their sides are proportional. Only when the given triangles will be similar, meaning उनके corresponding angles equal होने चाहिए. First of all, here there are two triangles ABC and triangle PQR. According to this, angle A should be equal to angle P, and angle B must be equal to angle Q, and angle C must be equal to angle R. So these are corresponding angles, मीनिंग उनके एंगल्स आपस में इक्वल हों. और ये एंगल ए जो है जरूरी नहीं वो ऑलवेज पी के ही इक्वल हो, वो एंगल क्यू के भी इक्वल हो सकता है या एंगल आर के भी इक्वल हो सकता है. मेन थिंग इज दैट all three angles of this triangle must be equal to the all three angles of this triangle. And then the second is that their sides must be proportional. Suppose the sides of triangle AB are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter long. So now the sides of other triangle are, this side is suppose 4 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter and this side is 8 centimeter. You can see that the sides are not equal. बट वट डज द रेशो मीन? रेशो मीन्स कि ये सेम रेशो में अगर इक्वल हैं तो ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर हो जाएंगी. तो लेट अस फाइंड द रेशो. ए बी बाय पी क्यू gives you 2 by 4, it means 1 by 2, and BC by QR gives you 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and AC by PR gives you 4 by 8 that is 1 by 2, and एंगल A जो है that is एंगल टू P है, and एंगल B एंगल Q के इक्वल है, एंड एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल R है. देखो यहाँ पर मेजर ऑफ एंगल इज नॉट गिवन बट वी हैव मार्क्ड लाइक दिस. तो इट मीन्स these angles are equal, and you can, or you maybe it may be that measure of these angles is given. Suppose this angle is of 70 degree, this one is of 80 degree, and this angle is of 30 degree. 70, 80 and 30. So now the sides are in same ratio and angles are equal. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now question is students, क्या हर बार हमें ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर करने के लिए वी हैव टू चेक ऑल दीज 6 corresponding parts? No. To give us relaxation, there are some similarity criterias. उन क्राइटेरिया को हम फॉलो करेंगे तो हमें हर बार ये 6 corresponding parts को चेक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी में जिस टाइप से कंडीशन थी, what were congruency conditions? You have studied in your previous classes about congruency conditions. We were having, first condition was SSS, and second was SAS, third one was angle side angle or angle angle side, and fourth condition was RHS, meaning right angle hypotenuse and side. एंड अब कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कंडीशंस में क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स इक्वल होते हैं, उनकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स भी इक्वल होती हैं एंड कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं. तब हम कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कंडीशंस को जो है में भी उसी टाइप से 6 पार्ट्स को चेक ना करके हमें रिलैक्सेशन है, वी कैन चेक फॉर द 3 पार्ट्स. मीनिंग अगर तीनों साइड्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल आर इक्वल टू द 3 साइड्स ऑफ अनदर ट्राइंगल, then the triangles are congruent. If 2 sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the 2 sides and included triangle of angle of other triangle, then the triangles will be congruent. Similarly, in third condition, if two angles and included side of a triangle is equal to two angles and included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. और we can say if two angles, कोई भी दो triangles में अगर टू एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो थर्ड एंगल ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वल होगा ही होगा बाय ट्रायंगल एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. देन दिस कंडीशन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू AAS. RHS मीन्स if in two right angle triangles, meaning right triangles must be right angle. Right angle means the angle, one angle of B of 90 degree. मीनिंग उन दोनों ही ट्राइंगल्स में एक एक एंगल अगर 90 डिग्री का है, देन द ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉल्ड राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स. मीनिंग जो RHS कॉन्ग्रुएंसी रूल है, इसको हम ओनली राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट दिस इज नॉट फॉर अदर ट्राइंगल्स. अब राइट एंगल मीनिंग एक एंगल 90 डिग्री हो. H मीन्स hypotenuse of both of the triangles are equal, and side means remaining two sides में से कोई भी एक साइड जो है एक ट्राइंगल की सेकेंड ट्राइंगल की साइड के इक्वल होनी चाहिए. देन वी कैन अप्लाई RHS रूल. अब देखो, कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कंडीशंस में साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए एंड सिमिलैरिटी में साइड्स का रेशो सेम होना चाहिए. लेट अस स्टार्ट criteria for similarity of two triangles. The first criteria for similarity of two triangles is angle, angle, angle. Means this criteria says that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, meaning अगर triangles में corresponding angles equal हों तो then their corresponding sides are in same ratio. तो अगर एंगल इक्वल हैं तो corresponding sides का रेशो सेम होगा ही होगा. Then the two triangles are similar, and this criteria is called AAA similarity rule. Meaning there are two triangles, you can see in figure, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and you can see here angle A and angle P are of 40 degree. Meaning angle A is equal to angle P है, and angle B is equal to angle Q, that is of 60 degree. Angle C is equal to angle R, that is of 80 degree. मीनिंग 6 कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स में से हमने ओनली एंगल्स को एग्जामिन किया है. नाउ देयर इज नो नीड टू फाइंड द रेशो ऑफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. ये अंडरस्टूड है. इफ एंगल्स आर इक्वल देन देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स जो हैं वो सेम रेशो में होंगी ही होंगी. Then we can say that our two triangles are similar by AAA similarity criteria. And the next criteria for the similarity of triangles is AA similarity criteria. This is AAA meaning जब तीनों ही angles given हैं and their measures are equal, then triangles are similar by AAA similarity criteria. Next one is AA similarity criteria, meaning now two angles are equal in two given triangles. For example, here I am taking triangle ABC and the second triangle is PQR. Now angle A is of 50 degree and angle B is of 70 degree. Here angle R is of 60 degree and angle Q is of 70 degree. Now you can see that टू एंगल्स जो गिवन हैं वो इक्वल नहीं है. दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 70 डिग्री, दिस इज ऑफ 70 डिग्री, दिस वन इज ऑफ 50 डिग्री, दिस वन इज ऑफ 60 डिग्री. सो हेयर यू हैव टू फाइंड द थर्ड एंगल, एंड व्हेन वी फाइंड द थर्ड एंगल ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इट विल बी ऑफ 180 minus 70 minus 50, it will be of 60 degree. And here the third angle will be of 70, 60, 130, 180 minus 130 gives you 50 degree. Now you can see that these two triangles are similar by AAA meaning तीनों angles equal हुए हैं. But already अगर आपको given two triangles में two angles equal given है. Suppose this angle is of 30 degree, here this angle is of 30 degree, and this angle is of 70 degree, this one angle is of 70 degree. You can say the triangles are similar by a similarity criteria. Now there is no need to find the third angle because two angles equal हैं. एंड इस ट्राइंगल में आपने चेक किया व्हेन वी फाइंड द थर्ड एंगल, तो तब भी टू एंगल्स इक्वल गिवन. टू इसमें तो टू वन ही एंगल इक्वल गिवन था, सेकेंड वॉज नॉट इक्वल. बट व्हेन वी वर फाइंडिंग थर्ड एंगल वी ऑब्जर्व दैट नाउ द थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ बोथ ऑफ द ट्राइंगल्स आर इक्वल. तो ये ट्राइंगल्स जो हैं वो सिमिलर हो गई. बट सी इन दिस फिगर स्टूडेंट्स, फिगर 1 में ट्राइंगल ए बी सी जो है वो ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर के सिमिलर हो गई. एंड इसमें जो है ऑलरेडी आपको टू एंगल्स गिवन है इन फिगर 2 में. नाउ देयर इज नो नीड टू फाइंड द थर्ड एंगल बिकॉज ऑटोमेटिकली हमें टू एंगल्स इक्वल मिल रहे हैं. तो इट इज ऑब्वियस कि थर्ड एंगल इक्वल आएगा ही आएगा. देन इफ टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल वी कैन अप्लाई ए सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरिया इज फॉर sides, meaning we have to check the three sides only, no need to check the angles. So how to apply this criteria? Now sides का जो है रेशो सेम होना चाहिए. Now this side is 1.5 centimeter and this one side is 3 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 3.3 centimeter and DF is 6.6 centimeter. Now we will find, because angles are not given, so we have to find the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here AB by DE gives you 1.5 by 3 and we get 1 by 2, and AC by TF gives you 3.3 by 6.6, again it gives you 1 by 2, and BC by EF it gives you 2.5 by 5, again 1 by 2. And here we observe that the sides are in same ratio, so given triangles are similar, or we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS सिमिलरिटी रूल. मीनिंग 6 पार्ट्स में से हमने ओनली साइड्स को कंसीडर किया है एंड रेशो ऑफ ऑल 3 साइड्स आर इक्वल, देयरफॉर द गिवन ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. Next criteria for the similarity of triangles is SAS similarity criteria. According to this rule, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, meaning if in given two triangles only one angle is equal, and you are having that angle B and angle Q are equal, and angle B is of 55 degree, angle Q is also of 55 degree, meaning only one angle is given, and वो one angle जो है वो equal होना चाहिए, तभी हम similarity ये SAS similarity criteria को apply कर सकते हैं. If in the starting the given angles are not equal, now there is no use to use this criteria. Now again one angle equal and sides including these angles. This word is very important here students, the sides including these angles. Why? Because जो sides in angles को contain कर रही हैं are in same ratio, they should be in same ratio, then the triangles are similar, meaning we have to focus on the sides for this triangle AB and BC and for this PQ and QR. अब suppose हमें AC and PR के बारे में दिया है, now they are not of your use. Suppose this side is 4.3 centimeter and this one side is of 8.6 centimeter, and again this side is 3 centimeter and this side is 6 centimeter. सो साइड कंटेनिंग द एंगल्स कौन कौन है, इधर से ए बी, तो ए बी का रेशो हम फाइंड करेंगे फ्रॉम सेकेंड ट्राइंगल से पी क्यू. 4.3 by 8.6 gives you 1/2, and BC by QR, that is also 1/2. Now the included angles including जो sides हैं, the sides those are including the angle, or the sides which are forming the angle are in same ratio and included angle is equal. So we can apply SAS similarity criteria. So therefore by SAS similarity rule, or you can say criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Students, in your questions, you will see that order is not always same. Always A, B, C and PQR ही similar नहीं होंगी. We have to check which point or which vertex match with the other. So, let us start our exercise now. Hello students, again welcome to maths class. Here we are going to start exercise 6.3. The question number 1 is, there are so many figures and you have to check whether the given triangles are similar or not. If the triangles are similar, then you have to state by which rule the given triangles are similar. And then you have to write the name of similar triangles. So in part 1, we can see angle A, B and C is given, and in second triangle all three angles are given, and we see that all the three angles of given triangles are equal. So therefore the triangles are similar. Yes हो गया, similar हैं. And by which rule? By AAA similarity rule. ट्राइंगल, नाउ वी हैव टू नेम द सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स. तो फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का नेम आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिख सकते हैं. ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू. नाउ आई हैव टू चेक पॉइंट ए कोइंसाइड विद, you can see angle A is equal to angle P, so this will be P, and angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now in part number 2, now the angles are not given, but the length of the sides of these two triangles are given. So what we have to do, we have to check whether the sides are in same ratio or not. Here we can see AB by QR is equal to 2/4 is equal to 1/2, and AC by PR is equal to AC by PQ, sorry, 3/6, that is 1/2, and third is BC by PR, that is equal to 2.5/5, again it will be 1/2. So it means sides are in same ratio. तो yes similar हैं by SSS rule, because sides are in same ratio. And now I have to write the name of similar triangles. तो अब ट्राइंगल ABC जो है वो ट्राइंगल PQR के सिमिलर नहीं है, बिकॉज AB एंड QR साइड का रेशो सेम आया है. तो ट्राइंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल QRP, मीनिंग जो पॉइंट A है वो पॉइंट Q से कोइंसाइड करेगा एंड पॉइंट BQ जो है वो R से कोइंसाइड करेगा. सो ट्राइंगल नेम विल बी ABC and QRP. In third figure, again the length of sides are given and we have to find the ratio of the given sides. And here after finding the ratio, you will see that 2 by 4, this is 1 by 2. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, but 2.7 by 5 is not 1 by 2. So the triangles are not similar. In part number 4, now one angle and two sides are given. तो जो SAS वाली कंडीशन थी, that was कि एंगल इक्वल होना चाहिए. Here angle M is equal to angle Q है, that is of 70 degree. Now we have to find the ratio of the remaining sides. Here MN by QP is equal to 2.5 by 5, we get 1 by 2. And similarly ML by QR is equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So it means yes, the sides are in same ratio. Therefore by SAS similarity rule, triangle MNL is similar to M पॉइंट जो है वो आपके Q पॉइंट से कोइंसाइड कर रहा है, एंड पॉइंट N जो है वो P से, एंड ये QPR. नाउ फिफ्थ पार्ट, अगेन वी हैव टू check whether the given triangles are similar or not. In part number 5, the angle which are given, they are of 80 degree and both the angles are equal, and the two sides are also given. The ratio of sides is also same, but the sides are not included those sides are not given which are including the angle. It means अगर मुझे 80 एंगल यहाँ गिवन है तो साइड AB एंड AC का मेजर पता होना चाहिए था. इन पार्ट इट इज क्लियर, बट फर्स्ट पार्ट में ऐसा गिवन नहीं है, तो आंसर विल बी नो. अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट्स आप रेशो फाइंड करेंगे ना तो आपको लगेगा कि यस, बिकॉज 2.5 by 5 will give you 1 by 2 and 3 by 6 will also give you 1 by 2 and included एंगल ही देखोगे तो वो भी आपको इक्वल दिखाई देगा. बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट यहाँ BC न के प्लेस पर हमें साइड AC मालूम होनी चाहिए थी. दैट्स वाई द आंसर इज नो. एंड इन सिक्स पार्ट 2 एंगल्स आर गिवन. हियर वन एंगल इज इक्वल, एंगल E जो है दैट इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q एंड इट इज ऑफ 80 डिग्री. बट एंगल D गिवन है एंड एंगल R सेकेंड ट्राइंगल में गिवन है. सो हेयर वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल F इन फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल. It will be 180 minus 150, it will be of 30 degree. एंड एंगल F जो है वो R के साथ कोइंसाइड कर रहा है. एंड सिमिलरली in another triangle you can find angle P and it will be 180 minus 110 degree, it will be of 70 degree and this is equal to angle D. So by yes, triangles are similar. AAA similarity rule. And which two triangles are similar? Triangle DEF is similar to triangle DEF. अब D एंगल किससे मैच कर रहा था? एंगल P से. एंड एंगल E मैच कर रहा है Q से. एंड ट्राइंगल PQR. Question number 2. Figure of question 2 is given and angle ODC is given to you and angle BOC is given, and we have to find angle DOC, DCO and OAB, and we are given that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Triangles are similar, so it means their corresponding angles are equal. But before that we have to find the angles of triangle DOC. Here you can find angle O by using linear pair axiom and it will be of 55 degree. Similarly, by using exterior angle property in a triangle, or you can use triangle angle sum property to find angle OCD, and this will also be of 55 degree. Now we are given that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So it means angle O coincide with angle O, and angle ODC is equal to angle OBA, and angle OCD will be equal to angle OAB, and we have to find angle OAB. So this angle is equal to angle OCD, therefore it will be of 55 degree. Now question number 3. Question 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. What we have to do for this? First of all, we have to draw the figure. Here ABCD is a trapezium in which the parallel sides are AB and CD. These two sides are parallel, and AC and BD are its diagonals. ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD. Diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. And we have to prove that this is the point of intersection of diagonals. And we have to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now what we have to do for this? We have to prove that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Here we can use, देखो angle 1 जो है that is equal to angle 2 by vertically opposite angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why these two angles are equal? Because these are alternate interior angles formed by two parallel lines AB and CD and transversal AC. In figure, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These are vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are alternate interior angles. So therefore, because two angles of triangle OAB and OCD are equal, so therefore by AA similarity rule, triangle OAB is similar to triangle, because angle A जो है that is coinciding with angle C, OCD. Now the triangles are similar, so therefore their corresponding sides are in same ratio. So we can write OA by OC is equal to AB by CD. How to write the ratio, beta? Before you have to consider first two letters. First two letters here are OA, and similarly on this side OC. So first ratio is OA by OC. And in second में second and third letter को लेना है. They are A and B. And इस side पर second and third C, D. Similarly, now we have to take first and third, that is OB. First and third here is OD. Now you are asked to prove OA by OC. So it means you have to skip this one ratio. So therefore OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Hence proved.